Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of the poem No Men Are Foreign. So let us start from the first question. The first question is beneath all uniforms, what uniforms do you think the poet is speaking about? Here, the poet speaks about the various dresses that people of various countries wear, but beneath them, the human body is same. Now, moving on to the next question. The next question is how does the poet suggest that all people on earth are the same? The poet says that nobody is different and peculiar, no country is foreign, a single body breathes beneath all uniforms. Moreover, the land is the same everywhere. Now, moving on to the next question. The next question is in stanza 1, find 5 ways in which we all are alike. Pick out the words. Now, in the first stanza, we find that the poet says that there is no difference between the body of a citizen of one country and a citizen of another country. We have same kind of body, we wear same kind of clothes, we walk on the same planet, and the end of each individual is the same. Now, let us see the next question. The next question is how many common features can you find in stanza 2? Pick out the words. Well, in the second stanza, we find some of the common features. They are sun, air, water, peaceful harvest required for human survival, and the same hands. Okay. Now, moving on to the next question. The next question is whenever we are told to hate our brothers, when do you think this happens? Why? Who tells us? Should we do as we are told at such times? What does the poet say? Sometimes you see some selfish people instigate the innocent people to harm others. They do it for their own benefit. The common or ordinary man does not understand their tricks and starts hating his fellow human beings. They tell them to cause riots. The poet says that one should not follow anybody's advice without brooding over it. The poet repeatedly says that there is no difference in them and the foreigners. The people of the entire world are the same. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Now let us discuss some extra questions from the poem. Now, what message does the poet want to convey to us? This is one of the extra question. Okay, the poet here wants to say that there should be no discrimination between people on the basis of their appearance, religion or region. It is inhuman to tease one because of one's different background. The poet wants that the people should discourage this malpractice and love their fellow human beings from the bottom of their heart. Now, the next question is how does the poet prove that there are no foreign countries? The poet proves it with the help of nature. Everyone shares the same sun, earth and air. They have the same body structure and its functioning elements, so there should be no biased attitude towards anyone. Now, the next question is what does the poet ask us to remember in the last stanza? The poet warns the ordinary and innocent people whose emotions and sentiments are stirred by some selfish people. Their immoral acts and poisonous views don't deserve attention. Well, the next question is how are we responsible for war? Everyone here is responsible for war. If we start hating our brethren, we will become the cause of tension, and the tension is converted into war only. So nobody should hate and despise anyone. Our blessed and impolite behavior towards the fellow human beings become the cause of unnecessary wars. Well, the last question is, how do all men lying on the earth share the same fate? All men living on this earth live and die the same way. They share the same fate. Beneath different kinds of colorful dresses and faces, all have the heart of man. While they live, they walk on the same earth. After their death, they will be buried under the same earth. The apparent differences of lands and races are only superficial and not real. So these are the question answers of this poem. I'm going to share with you all the PDF of these question answers. All of you please note it down in your classwork notebook. That's all for today. Thank you.